Oh my god. My head is tired. I have this idea. I'm gonna make a phone stand so that I can watch this movie without having to exhaust my hand. So, follow me. This is gonna be very handy. Okay, and the last step. Remember, you just need to follow me closely. Right? And we'll have this beautiful triangle stand. Alright? Wow. Huh. Now I'm so ready to enjoy the movie. So, 3 words for today. Phone stand, exhaust. Wow, I exhaust my hand watching the video, holding the phone like this. And